If you re a manifesting generator watching this at 2 a.m. because you just can't shut your brain off, I see you. You're probably running through about 17 different ideas, 3 unfinished projects, and that one thing you said yes to but instantly regretted. Let me tell you something important. You are not lazy, inconsistent, or broken. You're just burnt out, manifesting generator style. You see, we don't burn out like everyone else. It's not that you just run out of energy, it's that you misuse it. Unlike pure generators who thrive on steady, consistent work, you have a hybrid engine. You've got the generator's sustainable life force that deep, guttural unhung power from your sacral center, and you've also got the manifestor's incredible speed and drive to initiate. It's like driving a sports car that has a semi-truck engine. You can go incredibly fast, but if you don't pause to check your fuel and your route, you'll blow the whole system. For manifesting generators, burnout often looks like this. Bouncing between projects with absolutely no joy left in any of them. Feeling deeply guilty for quitting things you once loved and were so excited about. And overcommitting because you feel like you can do it all. You just can't do it all at once. But the biggest sign of burnout is losing touch with your sacral response. You start running on shoulds, not on you has. When you get out of alignment, that powerful sacral energy starts leaking out everywhere. And let me be clear, no amount of coffee, productivity hacks, or self-care Sundays is going to fix that leak. So how does this happen? Let's break down the 3 main energy drains for manifesting generators. First, and this is the big one, saying yes before you check in with your sacral response. As an MG, your sacral center is your ultimate truth teller. But when you respond from your mind, you are completely overriding your body as natural guidance system. Every single one of those fake yeses drains your battery. Before you commit to anything, just pause for a second and ask yourself, does this light me up? If your body doesn't give you a clear, expansive unhung, then it's a no for now. The second energy drain is skipping steps just to move faster. MGs are designed to move fast. We love efficiency. But skipping foundational steps creates energetic friction. It's like trying to sprint before your shoes are even tied. When you ignore the proper process just to get it done, you almost always end up having to redo things later, which wastes way more time and energy in the long run. Give yourself permission to move fast when you're in flow, not when you're in force. The right rhythm feels effortless, not rushed. And third, comparing your unique pace to people who are single passion types. You're not meant to pick one lane and stay in it forever. You're a multi-hyphenate, a multi-passionate creator. You pivot, you evolve, and you loop back to old interests with new wisdom. That's your design. But when you start comparing yourself to people who stick to just one thing, the specialists, the linear builders, you'll start to doubt your own path. Comparison creates shame, and shame kills your sacral energy faster than anything. Okay, so what's the recovery strategy? How do you get back on track? You have to rebuild the trust you have with your sacral. And that means slowing down just enough to be able to hear it again. Start small. Each morning, ask yourself simple yes or no questions. Do I want coffee or tea this morning? Do I want to move my body today? Do I want to rest right now? And then really notice what your body does. Do you feel an expansion, an opening? That's a yes. Do you feel a contraction, a pulling back? That's a no. This simple practice will reconnect you to your inner navigation system. Next, give yourself permission to quit the things that no longer light you up. This is not failure. It's alignment. As your energy starts to rebuild, new ideas will return. Your creativity will spark again, and your natural speed will start to feel exciting, not exhausting. To prevent this from happening again, try these daily practices. First, do micro check-ins. Pause 2 or 3 times a day and just ask, is this still a yes for me? Second, try single tasking in short bursts. Give your full energy to one thing for about 20 to 40 minutes and then switch guilt-free. Your design thrives in variety. Third, try sacral journaling. At the end of the day, write down what lit you up and what drained you. Over time, you'll see clear patterns emerge. And finally, practice energy closure. When you finish a task, consciously close the loop. You can even say out loud, that's complete. This signals to your sacral that it can release the energy and move on. Manifesting generators, you're not here to burn out, you are here to blaze new trails. But you can only do that when you honor your own unique rhythm. So stop trying to keep up with everyone else. Stop saying yes from your head and start listening to that deep sacral truth. Because when you do, the exhaustion fades and your magic returns.